update rèé o lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Tani Olohun. Wọ́n ti sún ìgbẹ́jọ́ ẹ̀ títí di September 20. Kí ló fà á tí wọ́n ṣe tún sún ìgbẹ́jọ́ títí di September 20? Kí làwọn ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀? Kí làwọn lọ́ọ̀yà sọ nípa ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní kóòtù lénìí? Gbogbo ẹ̀ náà la máa mú wá sójú ìwòran yín. Ẹ máa bá wa bọ̀. Okay, there are certain questions we should be asking concerning this matter. Now, some people are saying, because they are legal representatives as well, they are saying that, okay, this is not a criminal offense. Why will he not be released on bail? But then that is at the discretion of the court. That is not ours to decide. And another thing that people are talking about is how can the Tani Olohun's lawyer go to court without any formal written bail application as a competent lawyer? Why will they go to court without a formal application, to have this guy released? That is one of the problems we have. That is one of the reasons the bail was not granted. And the other team of lawyers, the prosecuting set of lawyers, could of course take advantage of that. Of course, they should expect that that bail will be refused. So all of these things should have been prepared properly before approaching the court. In this regard, people are appealing to the president to step into this religious issue so that it will stop as soon as possible and will not bring about serious issues amongst Muslims and traditionalists. Gbogbo èèyàn ni wọ́n ti sọ pé kí wọ́n dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí o, kó má bàa di wàhálà láàrin àwọn mùsùlùmí àti àwọn oníṣẹ̀ṣe pàápàá nílùú Ìlọrin, kó má tiẹ̀ tún tàn káàkiri gbogbo agbègbè southwest bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Muslims, Christians and traditionalists have no issues until recently in Ilorin, which started from Olohun and some Muslim. According to report, the trouble started back and forth and they had to go to police station in Ilorin to settle the issue, and somehow it generated to what is happening right now. But as we speak now, the case has been adjourned till September 20th. Let's get into what the lawyers had to say.
Ó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ilé ẹjọ́ lè ní gẹ́gẹ́ bí a ti mọ̀, a gbé preliminary objection wá ìtakò wá sí ẹjọ́ ti upper area court nílùú Ìlọrin. A sọ fún wọn wípé wọ́n lè mú ènìyàn wa Abdulaziz Adégbọlá pé kó wá jẹ́ ẹjọ́ kan náà níwájú ilé ẹjọ́ méjì, pé nítorí ìdí èyí kí wọ́n dá ẹjọ́ tí upper area court nù ká lè tẹ̀síwájú ní ti magistrate court. Ní kó filẹ̀ kó máa lọ lé pé kó má jẹ́jọ́ mọ́. Àwa ń sọ pé ẹjọ́ yẹn kó jẹ́ sójú kan nítorí ẹ̀sùn náà ó jọra wọn. Ṣùgbọ́n nígbà tí a wálé ní fún ruling, fún ìdájọ́ ráńpẹ́, torí kò kí ń ṣe final judgment, it's just a ruling. Bàtà wálé ní fún ruling lórí ẹ̀. Àwọn lọ́yà tó gbé ẹjọ́ wá, wọ́n sọ pé a lè fi ẹnu lásán gba bail, nígbé ká mú formal application ká kọ sí ìwé ká mú wá. Àwa dẹ̀ jẹ́ kí ilé ẹjọ́ mọ̀ wípé kódà àti ẹ̀ tí ń fi ẹnu lásán sọ lọ́gán, ilé ẹjọ́ ti kọ́kọ́ gbà wá láàyè, a ti ń fi ẹnu béèrè bail ẹ̀, àti béèrè bail ẹ̀, àti jókòó. Barrister Alhaji kí lorúkọ wọn náà, Adégòkè, àwọn ni wọ́n represent olùgbẹ́jọ́ kejì.
Kí kóòtù ó gbà wá láyè kẹ́gbẹ́ méjì ó file papers ni pé ká mọ fẹnu sọ pé kò ní sá yọ sá yìí, kò lẹ́sẹ̀ ńlẹ̀ tó bí kó wà documented pé èmi ni mo sọ, èmi mo file affidavit pé kò ní sá ní kóòtù, káwọn wá sọ pé yọ sá ká sì sọ reason tí ó fi sá, kí kóòtù ó wá wò bóyá ó yẹ káwọn fún wọn ní bẹ́ẹ̀lì àbí káwọn mọ̀ fún wọn ní bẹ́ẹ̀lì. So at the end of the day, kóòtù làwọn agree pẹ̀lú wa pé ó yẹ ká wá formally ni.
Let's always focus on religious tolerance. Let's tolerate one another. Whatever it is we can do, let's try as much as possible. Let's call for peace. We can settle cases out of court. We are one Nigeria, regardless of our religious status And of course, whatever it is we do or whatever we belong to, let us work together and of course move this country forward. If we want Nigeria to move forward, these issues coming up at this time will not allow that to happen. This is DIGINAIJA. Remember to follow us for more stories, like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.